Woo! Hello, good morning, good news, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Gambler Show, maybe. But yeah, because I still don't have a segment for this one. But we will open a pack right here, and yeah, let's open it first before we talk about it. Yeah, so with my not so rusty hobby knife, and it's just for opening. Okay, do not use a rusty hobby knife or a cutter on making your hobbies, or making, or doing, or building your gunplas or any kind of model kits. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we open, and we have here our, this is our new game from Nintendo Switch, and this is your Digimon Story Cyber Sleuth. Yeah, Cyber Sleuth, and it has 2 games in here, and yeah, it's still on a plastic here. And let's open, and let's see the content. Yeah, so before we go inside the content, let's have first the box right here, or the, what you can say, the case. So you can see here, they are different characters than the, compared to the story of the Digimon, the original story. This is the story for the game, yes, you can see. And the story for the Cyber Sleuth is like they're detectives in the Digi world, solving some crimes with the Digimon, and some of the criminals also are Digimon. Okay, and here at the back, you can see here, test your super sleuth skills and solve the Digi mysteries. So see, they're like detectives. Okay, so includes both Digimon Store, Cyber Sleuth, and Hacker's Memory in one game. So we have here 2 options of game. That's why I bought this one. And also solve some mysteries, featuring over 300 Digimons. I know there are more than 300 Digimons, but yeah, it's okay. It's like not like Pokemon that we will catch every Pokemon that you have. And for your information, FYI, I mean, I like Pokemon. I also love Pokemon, but I am into more on Digimon stuff than Pokemon. Okay, as you know, I already have some Digimon backlogs, or Digimon model kit backlogs already right here at my back. So yeah, no such, I don't think I have a Pokemon right here. But yeah, I think I don't have. Okay, so yeah, when I bought this is already a used one, because a used one is much cheaper, and I know they are, I bought this in a legit online store in Shopee. So I think it's okay. Now let's open. So yeah, if it's new, there will be seal all over. But yeah, we only have this one, so it's not a brand new one. So let's see. You will be the first one to see we have the game inside. Do we have it? Yeah, we have it. So we have it here, and let's take the cartridge. So this is the cartridge that we have here. Yeah, it's like a memory card. So you can see, focus camera, please. Focus. Can you focus this one? No, it can't. Okay, so that's the card. So yeah, we will have, and we will try this game next time on my Nintendo Switch, and maybe I will do some live games doing this one, because it's like an RPG one, so it's like role playing. It's a turn-based game, turn-based attack game, like that. And then also, it's not like Pokemon that you will only just use one Pokemon at a time, but you will have 3 Digimon that you will use in a battle. And there will be strategies, more and more games like that. Because I already played Digimon games starting on Game Boy, and also on PlayStation 1. And then some on PlayStation 2 also. But after that, I've stopped because I've attended college, and then yeah, I've started gaming with Digimon. But yeah, I am more on Digimon than Pokemon. But I love Pokemon also. I also love Pokemon. I also want to collect them. But yeah, I still want Digimon. Really catch me on some of its Digimon designs. Yeah. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this kind of videos and content, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell to be informed for my next videos. Okay, so this is it, and yeah, we'll play this next time, and I think I will have some I think I need to buy some capture card, video capture card. Yeah, I think that's the term, so that I can record my gameplay. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Gambler Show signing off. I need to do a segment for this one. I really need